And of course, the seed storage facilities for your differential lines. I have a very rudimentary system. I don't have a humidity controlled environment, low humidity. I just use these black crates and then honey jars that can seal tight. And if I need something down there, I have to take out all.
And that's where it always is.
That's where it always is, yeah, you're right. Important to have your differentials pure. I'm not going to spend time on that. Maintenance is really important. If you have a freezer or a greenhouse or any equipment that you can't fix yourself, there must be some support system. And then a cleaning facility and a dumping facility. We always use clean pots, but it's fairly simple. You can just use water with some chlorine in it and leave it in there for a while. Disposal system for the rusted plants. If you work with containment facility, you have to autoclave it. If you just do normal work, you can just dump it. Backup generator, if you're lucky enough, like we have in this hotel, you can hear it start up at 4 o'clock each morning. And then general lab. Gordon, I think I'll make it in another minute or so. I'm watching the timer. Just general labware, pipettes, glassware, beakers, etc. Petri dishes, thermometers. There's your maleic hydroside. Permanent marker pens, and you can do a lot with this. They're inexpensive. They're available in all the supermarkets. You don't need those expensive desiccators if you don't have the operational funds. Just use, I think, the stuff you can buy at your local supermarket. When the sample arrives, you have to enter it in a spreadsheet. You can decide what information you will enter. You have basically all of it, all the GPS information, the localities, the sites, the names, from what Dave has explained to you. You store it in a cool, dry place. Process it within a few weeks. They won't last forever when they come from the field. Collect the spores and use a spatula or a more sophisticated collection system. Inoculate the seedlings, collect the spores, and then go to a differential set, or you can even go inoculate your differential set directly from the field sample. Increase the cultures and store them. So this is basically what happens. The field samples come in, leaf rust or stem rust. You can scrape off the spores, just rub it onto your seedlings. Make sure you have a clean spatula for each isolate. Or you want to do the spray oil system, and that's how it's done. I think this is the last one. Increase in the greenhouse, collect, put in the cryo vial, and put in storage. So this is just a quick summary of basic requirements for general rust pathology.